Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back. Or if it's your first time, welcome to the Andersons family. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. We always appreciate our viewers and we always appreciate our subscribers for coming back to our channel. If you guys haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting on? Click that button, it really helps us out. Hit that like button as well and leave a comment. It is the morning after the night before. Last night was such an eventful night, guys. We had so much fun last night. So in a couple of videos ago, we spoke about forming a Caribbean connection here in Grande Prairie. It is now up and running. And we had our first networking event last night and it was a huge success. Huge shout out to all the persons who came out, was a part of that event. It was just amazing to see the turnout, and also I got to meet some new faces that I've never met before, and it's just a blessing to see the growth in Grande Prairie and just to see the community that we're forming, and Caribbean people are actually seeing that, hey, we have a voice too, we have a community too, and that's the main intention. So the main intention of Caribbean Connection is to help newcomers from the Caribbean or from Caribbean descent transition into Grande Prairie, integrate into the culture, integrate into the society, but also to share Caribbean culture to the wider community so that persons can understand and appreciate Caribbean culture, whether food, music, clothing, any and every aspect of Caribbean culture. That's what we're gonna do. So last night we had people from many different countries. We had Jamaica, of course, we had Dominican Republic, we had Dominica, we had Haiti, we had Guyana, we had Bahamas. Many different countries was there last night, and of course we had the fans who was not necessarily from Caribbean, but they just wanted to come out and network and support us, and we're always grateful for them for coming out and being a part of the event as well. A shout out to all my African sisters who was there as well. You guys know yourself. We had Senegal and we had Uganda that was in the house as well. So we just want to say a huge thank you for coming out, the first event, and there's many more events that's going to be going on in the city of Grande Prairie, and we're just happy that we have been seeing the growth and development of the Caribbean space in our community. I'm gonna definitely be sharing some of the videos that we took from last night with you guys. Be sure to smash a like on the video, guys. If you want to see like bigger events, more events like these, let me know in the comment section what took place last night, right? Short video for you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see more of these kind of events in Grande Prairie, and what's your thoughts. Do you have a community like this in your city if you're already in Canada, or how can we grow and improve it more, right? Let me know in the comment section, guys. See you guys on the flip side.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness, let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along, be with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness, I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy, it's just the way that I get every time that I'm with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven, I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so
Yes, full of lovely cosmetic items, pedicure items, that sort of thing. All right, now the lucky winner is the one. Don't look. The lucky winner is Janae.
Give you guys a quick rundown of what it is that we're looking to get done in Grande Prairie. Is we want to start not only spreading Caribbean culture by doing Caribbean events, but also to, what would I say, connect Caribbean people together. Because oftentimes we find that there's so many Caribbean persons here in the city, but everyone feels a bit isolated, a bit in their own space, in their own world, doing their own thing. And let's be honest, all the other communities have their own community. So we're building our community, but we can't do it without you guys. So we're so happy that you guys decided to come out, introduce themselves. Starting with myself, I'm Demar, as I said, and I've been voted the president of Caribbean Connections, and I've been in Grande Prairie for 5 years now. And my goal is really to make sure that I make myself available not only for these events, but also to share Caribbean Connections.
Grande Prairie. I've been president of Rotary, done a few things in the community, so I'm here to help. I'm here to help the community grow and watch the connections flourish. So thank you for having me.
Awesome.
Connections. Thank you all for coming. This is a really awesome turnout. So my goal is just like what Taj expressed, just to kind of get everybody together so we can fellowship as a community, where we can just, show Grande Prairie in a whole what the Caribbean culture has to offer. And like them said, moving forward, we want to plan a lot of engagement events like this. We also want to give back to the city of Grande Prairie as a whole that all of us call home. So tell a friend, just like get people excited about this Caribbean Connections group, and just like always come and support us. The more the merrier.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And I want to say,
The best decision of my life. The reason I wanted to join this organization was to bring the Toronto vibe of Caribbean-ness to Toronto. I mean, to Grande Prairie. We're not going back. No, don't worry about that. So I just wanted to all the ideas and things that I've seen in Toronto, I want to be able to incorporate that into Grande Prairie and just grow and have this city flourish.
and again, let's talk about
Beginning of April, end of April, beginning of May. So I'm also new to Grande Prairie. I function as the secretary of this organization, and my role is to collect data, record meetings, but also to support the vision, which I really love. The vision of the organization is to support Caribbean people, to grow our community, to promote amalgamation among us, and also integration for newcomers to come in and feel like there's a sense of family, there's a sense of community, and this is the start of something great, and I'm glad to be a part of it.
awesome.
Coming from that kind of culture and living in Canada, it can be a huge change. And it's there's nothing like being able to connect with people who can understand the similar kind of culture that you're used to. Not that there's anything wrong with the culture here, it's just, it brings that sense of home when you can connect with other people who you can identify with, who speak the same language. If you just say rice and peas, they know what you mean, or something like that kind of thing.
Well, like
So,
Laura who said, thought it was rice and beans.
to her defense, they do speak Spanish in her country.
So I'm here with these two beautiful ladies, Caribbean Connections Vice President and Secretary, Donisha and Nadisha. Let me ask you guys this, right? What does it mean to be Caribbean? That's the first thing. I'll start with you, Nadisha.
What does it mean to be Caribbean to me? Warm people, sunshine, beaches, great food, great camaraderie, good vibes, good times all the time.
Good times all the time. Everything good.
Yeah.
And Donisha, what I'll ask you is, how important is it to spread Caribbean culture, especially in a place like Grande Prairie? What does it mean to you?
It's very important to me actually because I think because as immigrants we come into a new space and we kind of adopt that new space's culture and social norms, and the younger generation tend to lose that. So it's important to me just to keep that Caribbean culture and spirit alive, especially being all the way out here in Grande Prairie and these remote areas.
Yeah. For like improvement in the Caribbean community here?
Oh yeah, absolutely. There's always room for improvement in any space or in any venture, but I just think it requires a lot of hard work and just integration on everyone's part.
Yeah. And Nadisha, what do you miss most about being in the Caribbean?
Well, right now the weather, and the second most thing, thing that I miss is the food. Yes.
What's your favorite Caribbean food?
Ox,
Delicious.
oxtail, curry goat. I like it's hard to pick one, but I definitely love oxtail, curry goat. Typical Christmas dinner.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Yeah.
Well, mine is really roasted fruit and chicken macaroni. That's my favorite.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
That's a
Dear man, what going? Man, look relaxed, here, man. So let me ask you this, day, man. What does it mean to be Caribbean?
But the Caribbean. Oh my gosh, what a question. Well, to be Caribbean, it's all about community. That's what it means to be Caribbean for me. Being black conscious and feel a sense of community. That's what it is for me.
Um, what do you think, or how does it make you feel when you see so many Caribbean people coming together and just like networking and trying to spread Caribbean culture? How does that make you feel?
Feels very good. Feels very good because coming from Ontario, we didn't have that in Ontario. You have hundreds of thousands or maybe millions of Caribbean people living in Ontario, but everybody is so far apart. Everybody is busy, right?
Yeah,
It takes a lot to travel from your destination to go and look for friends,
that's right.
spend hours in traffic. Here in Grand Prairie, you just travel 5-10 minutes down the road and you're good.
So,
Yeah.
a question that I ask somebody else just now. What do you miss most about being in the Caribbean?
Uh, the food, for one, my friends, the beach, definitely the beach. Yeah. So the food, the beach, and hanging with my friends.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, rough respect, I try to bring that here, not the beach, but the friend. Man,
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
there's a whole lot of Jamaicans in Grand Prairie. And oftentimes people don't understand that, hey, there is culture here too. And that's why we're doing this. Not only this network event, but that's why we started Caribbean Connection so persons can understand that you have a voice and you have your niche here as well. So I'm here with Georgia. So, Georgia, I did spill the beans. You are from Jamaica, right? Tell me, what does it mean to be Caribbean?
Hmm. It's a loaded question. For me, it's a sense of pride. I mean, we're so diverse when it comes to for the Caribbean culture. Whether you're from Jamaica or Trinidad or wherever, we're a unique family. So for me, it's a sense of pride, and to be able to share my culture, the wealth, and the knowledge and the information of my culture with the world and Grand Prairie.
What would you like to see in Grand Prairie as it relates to Caribbean culture? Or,
More of a diversity. I'm originally from Toronto, so coming to Grand Prairie, of course, a little bit of culture shock. Not much Caribbean culture here. So what I would like to see is a little bit more diversity when it comes to food, when it comes to events, when it comes to places to go and hang out. Caribbean people, we love to lime,
yeah.
so we need a place where we can actually chill, relax, and enjoy who we
And I
are
know you're
together.
working on this, but we need those Caribbean food.
It's coming. It's coming. Trust me, it's coming.
Shout out to Taste of the Tropics. Talk a little bit about that.
Okay, so Taste of the Tropics Eatery is a catering company that we have right here in Grand Prairie. So we offer single serve meals. So people can order online, call up for pickup and deliveries on the weekends, as well as we do catering for events, weddings, you name it, we cook it.
Sweet.
Okay.
Awesome.
Their joy to like.
Continue.
Oh my goodness.
That's okay.
I hate being on the spot. Okay.
So yeah, like so you said you were born in Uganda, right? So do they teach you guys anything about like the slave trade or like the Africans in the Caribbean stuff like that at all?
Actually, no. I left Uganda when I was 3, and I didn't really learn about the slave trade until I took an American history course in York University, and in high school I took American history, and that's when I learned about like the actual slave trade, the transatlantic slave trade. Yeah, and a little bit of the Islamic slave trade. So
Gotcha.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And you, Fatima. Oh, look at her hiding from the camera. No, no, no. You know, as long as you're around me. Okay, we won't pressure her. Norian, what does it mean to be Caribbean?
Oh, that's a hard question. Um, I would say it makes us unique because we are this little group of islands that share the same feeling of a small but changing the world in a way because we're really unique. And the best part about it is how much diversity it is within those small islands in the middle of the ocean. So we're very unique people.
Very unique people.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.